The Autodesk Education Plan gives eligible students and educators single-user access to Autodesk software and learning tools to help them build the skills and knowledge needed to begin a meaningful career. The Education Plan includes free access to Autodesk Desktop, Cloud, Web, and mobile products and services available through the Education Community website. The Education Plan simplifies software access, requiring just a single once-a-year renewal of eligibility to extend access to all available products. Getting started is easy. Go to the Get Products page to explore available products. Click Get Started. If you are an existing user, sign in to your account. If you don't have an Autodesk account, you'll have the option to create one. Select your country, education role, institution type, institution name, and date of birth. Then enter your name, email, and password, and accept the terms. Once submitted, you'll receive a verification email to verify your email address and activate your account. Next, you will need to complete your education profile. Start typing your school name and choose the correct option from the drop-down list. If you do not see your school listed, click the link to Add School and complete the form. Note that it may take up to 7 days for your school to be validated and added to the list. At this point, it is very important you ensure your account information is accurate before moving forward. If it is, click the blue button to confirm your eligibility. You may be asked to submit further documentation for proof of eligibility. Your documentation must include your full legal name, the name of the educational institution, and a date within the current school term. Examples of appropriate documentation include a transcript, school-issued confirmation letter, or a copy of your student ID as long as they fulfill the 3 requirements. You will have up to 14 days to upload a suitable document, but you will not get access to Autodesk products and services through the Education Plan until your eligibility has been confirmed. Once your documentation has been submitted, it may take up to 48 hours for your eligibility status to be determined by ShareID, our third-party verification services provider. Once your eligibility is confirmed, you will receive a confirmation email welcoming you to the education community. The email will include links to the Get Products page, support resources, and the Education Community page. From this point, you will have a full year of access to the Education Plan, renewable for as long as you remain eligible. Autodesk is committed to supporting education and providing eligible students and educators with free access to a year-to-year renewable education plan so that you can acquire and showcase the skills needed to position yourself for career success. Unlock access to the Education Plan by confirming your eligibility today.
व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक, शेअर आणि सर्वात महत्त्वाचं सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका.